Look at the clock. What time is it right now? Now, let me ask you something that might sting a little. What have you actually done with the hours that have already passed today? If you just felt a wave of guilt, take a breath. You are not lazy. Your brain is just playing a massive trick on you. Psychologists call it time discounting. It's a literal glitch in human evolution. Our brains are hardwired to prioritize instant gratification over long-term rewards. We genuinely believe that tomorrow you will somehow wake up with limitless motivation, zero distractions, and iron discipline. But let's be brutally honest. Tomorrow you is the exact same person as today you, just one day older and probably a little more tired. We hear the phrase, "You only have 24 hours," so often that it's become white noise. But let's strip away the motivational fluff. This is about neurobiology. When you say, "I don't have time to work out," or "I don't have time to start that project," your brain is doing something very specific. It's translating "I don't have time" into "this is not a priority." It's a psychological defense mechanism to protect you from the discomfort of effort. You see, the biggest lie we tell ourselves is the illusion of someday. Someday I'll get in shape. Someday I'll start that business. Look at a calendar. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Sunday is not a day of the week. So, how do you actually fix this without burning out? You have to manufacture urgency. Have you ever noticed how fast you can clean your entire apartment when someone texts you they are coming over in 20 minutes? That is Parkinson's law in action. Work expands to fill the time you give it. If you give yourself a year to change your life, you will waste 364 days overthinking it. Stop planning your life in years. The human brain cannot process timelines that large. It's too abstract. Bring it back to the micro. You only have the next 24 hours. Pick one thing, just one tiny action that proves you are serious. Lower the friction. Don't commit to a 2-hour workout. Commit to putting on your shoes. Because tonight, at midnight, your bank account of time resets. You're going to be handed another 24 hours. The only question is, are you going to spend it, or are you going to let it slip away?